make Nanban. Nanban is a deep-fried chicken or fish coated in a sweet and sour vinegar sauce. For this dish, we're going to need 150 grams of small pieces of chicken. For the sauce for this dish, we're going to need 150 milliliters of rice vinegar, 75 milliliters of soy sauce, 75 milliliters of plum sake. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar and a dash of crushed red peppers. For the garnish for this dish, we're going to need some thinly sliced onion, some thinly sliced green onions, and some shredded red pepper. So now it's time for us to make the sauce. So now it's time for us to prepare our chicken. We're going to take our chicken and put it into potato starch. We're going to coat it very well and then set it aside. Once we have all of the pieces nice and coated, we're then going to go ahead and fry our chicken. So now it is time for us to go ahead and start frying our chicken. We can go ahead and just put it into the fryer for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, we're going to go ahead and pull it out and let it sit for 30 more seconds outside of the fryer. So now that it's been about 1 minute, we're going to pull the chicken out of the fryer. And we're going to let it sit here for about 30 more seconds. Now that it's sat for about 30 more seconds, we're going to go ahead and put it back into the fryer again until it's completely finished cooking. That's generally a very good sign that your chicken is very close to being done or already done. Now that we've pulled the chicken out of the fryer, it's time for us to let it sit for just a moment to let any excess oil drain off. Then we'll go ahead and add it to a bowl and add our sauce. So now that our chicken is fried, it's time for us to go ahead and finish the dish. To do this, we're going to take our chicken and we're going to add it all to a metal bowl. After adding to a metal bowl, we're going to then take our thinly sliced onions. We're going to go ahead and add those as well. After that, we're going to take our sauce and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sauce. We'll then go ahead and make sure that we mix it nice and well. After having everything nice and mixed, it's then time for us to go ahead and start plating. We're going to plate this in a small deep dish style dish here, and we're just going to go ahead and start by taking the chicken and placing it into the bottom of the bowl. After adding everything to the bowl, we're just going to go ahead and take our sauce and just go ahead and give one quick light drizzle over the top to make sure that there's enough sauce in the bottom of the bowl. After this, we'll go ahead and take our green onions and we're going to sprinkle them around everywhere to add a lot of nice color. After doing that, we're going to go ahead and take our shredded red pepper. And then we're going to finish the dish. And there we go. We have our Nanban.